In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Shopify recovery code and what to do if you need a temporary login code. Let's start with a really important clarification. Shopify recovery codes are only shown to you at the moment you set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on your account. After that initial setup, you can't go back into Shopify and see those same recovery codes again. So if you're trying to find your original recovery codes, the first place to check is wherever you stored them when you set up 2FA. Many people save these in a password manager, a secure notes app, or even a physical notebook kept somewhere safe. Take a moment to think back to your setup process and check those usual places. If you didn't save them or you just can't find them anymore, don't worry. Shopify gives you another option you can use to access your account on a new device: a temporary login code. Now I'll walk you through how to generate that temporary login code from your Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard on a device where you're already authenticated. Once you're in, look at the top of the page for your profile icon. It should appear alongside your store name. Click that profile area and a drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down, choose the option for your account. This is usually the one listed just above the logout button. When you click into your account, you'll be taken to your account settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with different sections. Find and click on the section labeled Security. This is where Shopify keeps all of your login and two-step authentication options. On the security page, scroll down until you see the section for two-step authentication. In that area, look carefully near the bottom right of the two-step authentication card. You should see a hyperlink that says Generate a temporary login code. Click that link. A pop-up window will appear explaining what this is. It will say that a temporary login code is a single-use code that you can use when logging in on another device, and that these codes expire 15 minutes after they're generated. After you've read that, click the Generate Code button at the bottom right of the pop-up. The page may take a moment to refresh. Once it's done, scroll back to the two-step authentication section, and you'll see your new temporary login code displayed there. Use it promptly, since it will only work once and will expire after 15 minutes.